If you're self-employed or a 1099 contractor and you're going to owe more than $1,000 in taxes, then you're required to make estimated tax payments. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an estimated tax payment on the IRS website using their direct pay method. If you're not sure if you're going to owe $1,000 or more in taxes, then stick around to the end of the video where I will share with you how to easily calculate how much money you're going to owe and give you the websites in order to make your state estimated tax payments as well. Let's get started.
You're not just a hair professional, you're a CEO.
Okay, so you're going to go from a web browser or your mobile phone or whatever to irs.gov, and you're going to select pay. And from there, you're going to select pay by bank account, direct pay. Once you select that, you're going to land on this direct pay with bank account, and you're going to select the make a payment button. From there, you're going to see 3 fields. And the first one is the reason for payment. You're going to use that and drop down and select estimated tax. Now, once you select estimated tax, the other 2 fields are going to populate automatically, so you don't have to do anything there. Then you select continue, and it's going to ask you to confirm that you have selected to make an estimated tax payment. After you do that, you're going to need to verify your identity. This is the information that you're going to need. You're going to need the tax year that you're going to use for verification. You're going to select the filing status, your first and last name, social security number, date of birth, and address. Now, I put an asterisk next to first and last name and address, but I also should have put it here for filing status because you want to make sure you use this information from the tax year you selected. So that's very important. Once you successfully verify who you are, then you're going to land on this page where you're going to enter in all of your payment information. You're going to put in the payment amount, the payment date, the bank routing number, the bank account number, the bank account type. This is either whether it's a checking or a savings account. And then you enter your email address. It's an optional field, but I highly recommend it. From there, you are going to get to this review and sign page where you're going to review all of the information you entered from the previous page. And once you confirm that everything looks good, if you don't need to make any changes, you're going to select submit. Now, if you do see anything on this page that you need to change, you're just going to hit the button that says previous to go back and make any changes. And then from here, you're going to get this confirmation page with everything that you submitted. I highly recommend printing this page. And if you entered your email address, you will also get an email sent to you. And that's it.
So as you can see, making the estimated tax payment is relatively easy. But you may be wondering, how do I know if I'm going to owe $1,000 or more? Now, at the Hair CEO, we work with self-employed hair professionals and beauty business owners, and we calculate that amount for them each and every quarter. Now, if you're not working with an accounting firm that provides that service, then you're going to need a way to figure out how much to pay each quarter. Now, there are really 2 ways in which you can do this. Now, the easiest way and the quickest way is to look at your last year's tax return, see how much you owed, and divide that number by 4. You're going to make those equal 4 payments for each quarter of the year. Now, the problem with that method and why it's not my favorite method is because depending on if business is going better than last year or worse than last year, then you're either going to underpay or overpay in taxes. And so down below, I've put together a tool. It's still an estimate where you enter in how much money you've made so far in the year, and it will calculate how much you should pay per quarter. This tax estimator is updated every year for the tax year that we are in. So at the recording of this video, it is the 2024 tax calculator. But depending on when you're watching this video, it will be updated for the year that we are in. And in addition to calculating your federal estimated tax amount, it will also tell you how much to pay at the state level, and it comes with the state websites where you need to make those estimated tax payments. So check out the link down below, and if you want me to do a video on how to make a state estimated tax payment, drop your state in the comments and let me know. Whichever state has the most comments, then I will do a step-by-step tutorial on how to make that state estimated tax payment.